guys, it's Gabby. This is my first YouTube makeup tutorial. I am so excited. I've been saying I wanted to film for the longest time, so I'm finally doing it. I'm finally getting to it. But yeah, so I created this very simple everyday eye look. I'm only going to be using a few eyeshadows. I had asked a poll yesterday on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a half cut crease or an everyday eye look, and this is what I came up with. This is pretty much what I wear every day if I'm just running out of the house. It's very matte. There's only like a few shades I'll be using from like the same palette. So I should probably tell you guys about myself. I'm 22 years old from Long Island, New York, but I just moved to Lakeland, Florida with my boyfriend, and we're both super happy. I'm also a makeup artist, makeup enthusiast. Like, I swear I collect everything from drugstore to high end. I'm always trying out different things and seeing what works for me. I'll probably be doing like reviews and vlogs and stuff like that once I get the hang of this. I'm filming from my iPhone right now, so just be patient with me. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. As you can tell, I did this eye off camera. This look is very matte and neutral. I never set my eyelids with powder, but I did prime them with the Wet n Wild concealer in light ivory. So the first shade I'm going to be using is this Off-White from the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to pop this right above my crease area just to start off the transition. The next shade I'm going to go into is this warm brown color, also from the Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm going to pop that right below where I just put that Off-White shade. This is just kind of warming up the look. Now I'm going to take this orangey shade and I'm going to put that kind of where I just put that warm brown shade. This is just going to warm it up a little bit more. Now I'm going to jump into the Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to be using a few shades from here as well. I'm going to be using this shade right here and this deeper shade right there. And I'm going to pop that into my crease just to give it a little bit of depth. So this is the last shade I'll be using in this eye look, and it's Blazing. It's this orange shade from the Desert Dust palette, and I'm just going to be popping that all over my lid. So off camera, I prime my face actually with the Milani Prime Light Face Primer, Strobing and Pore Minimizing. I love this. I recently fell in love with it again. I had purchased it a while back, and I really feel like it makes my skin look really smooth and minimizes my pores. But I also use that Wet n Wild concealer underneath my eyes, and I didn't use foundation or anything. I just put the Wet n Wild concealer on, and I threw this orange eyeshadow underneath and a random black eyeshadow, and I connected the wing with the bottom of my lash line. Next, I'll be taking the NARS foundation, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Light 1. I kind of just put this on the back of my hand, and I take this beauty blender, but not really beauty blender. It's one I got at Target. I don't know. And I kind of just put that all over my face. I feel like this foundation wears really weird. Like, I don't love it, but it's not the worst. I feel like in my smile lines it wears pretty bad, but yeah, I mean, I just bounce it in. So I actually finished the rest of my foundation off camera, and I also set my face with this new flower powder. I just bought it today at Ulta for $13, and honestly, my skin looks really good. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day and see how I feel about it, but it looks, This is kind of different because I'm so used to wearing the Airspun. And it's like really finely milled, and I feel like it's gonna give me flashback, so I'll try that after this video, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so far I really like it. It looks very smooth. Next, I'm gonna be contouring my face and just kind of giving my face life because I look like I'm dead. Don't clock me because I'm kind of tan right now. I live in Florida now, so my face is really white compared to the rest of my body. But I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to be carving out my face a little bit. So to warm up my face a little bit more, I took the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I mixed all three of these, and I put a little bit on my nose and on the balls of my cheeks. So when I smile, it looks all rosy and cute. I'm also cutting my cheekbones right now with the same translucent powder that I used earlier all over. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my face. This is really well loved. I bought this a really long time ago. This is the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using Sunburst, obviously, with a little bit of bubbly. I'm also going to be wetting my brush with the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray, and this is just a random e.l.f. brush. I feel like wetting your brush makes all the difference. So, and I'm going to smile when I put this on. So off camera, I just applied my lashes. I applied these Ardell ones. I've actually never used these before. Usually I just love the regular wispies, but these are kind of comfortable. I'm not sure how I feel about them yet. But I also put mascara on my lower lash line. The last step actually is to put on lip, and this is the NYX Lingerie. And I believe this is the shade Lace Detail. It's just a nude, and I'm probably going to put a gloss on top because lately I've just been loving a glossy lip. So I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The lip gloss I put on top of the NYX is called Undress from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is one of my favorite nude lip glosses. It wears really comfortably. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.